QBTS stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. D-Wave Quantum is decent. I mean, when I say decent, it just keeps correcting down. Just 1% technically up, but I've been talking the last couple of days. All I've done is I've done 39,000 videos. Technically more than anyone else in the space every single day for 5 years. So genuinely, I've seen what's working for me. What's not all these links is just previous proof of me longing this market beforehand. Yeah, the market sitting at 163 at the time. Took it from 162 to 11, so that's almost at 11, 10x. But genuinely speaking here, it's all about the confirmation. Now it depends. Will it come down and then show me a shift where I'm then gonna look to take things up, or is it gonna break these highs and then take things up? I don't know. Well, we are gonna see. And if no rules are met, why the heck would I try and force? I won't. So let me know what is your opinion on QBTS. Stay tuned, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple, very, very lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.